arch really helped. Rarity hung a special stitch perler bead flower on the arch to make it look nice.
Of course.
Then Rainbow put 2 Clydesdale mobiles beside it. Applejack agreed to help Rarity to sit so that Rarity could draw a picture of her, so that she could stitch a beautiful Applejack sitting down.
A portrait.
A portrait of a nice Applejack. So, meanwhile, Twilight took a book on protection spells and bubble blowers, and gave it and she and Starlight began researching on helpful ways to keep the killdeer safe. Fluttershy
had to learn how to be a good caretaker.
Yeah, Fluttershy brought lots of cups of water and gave them plates with carrots and lots of cheese. The killdeer decided that these main 6 were good help and gave them a gift.
Wow.
This gift was better than a Clydesdale mobile, better than this Rarity knitted blanket, better than Applejack's portrait, better than anything. They loved it. It was a drawing of birds on a tree branch, and flowers and roses, a princess, trees, the dark hills,
a
beautiful, and Rarity began stitching. Rarity was being kind of weird now. She had stitched a weird old. She had used her felt and stitched a picture of the killdeer hugging each other onto a water bottle. She taped it on and said, "How does this water bottle look?" The killdeer were amazed. Twilight said, "There's no cap." "Oh, sorry," said Eddie, and they made a cap together. Once the cap was made, the killdeer had a full new water bottle. Twilight poured water in. "Aren't they sweet?" said Twilight, crying. This was pouring tears. She loved them. Rarity finally found one thing. And this was the one time that the person that Pinky finally was helpful, other than hanging confetti everywhere. and Pinky made a banner that said, "Yay, killdeer are safe!
Welcome to the Equestria
Killdeer
family.
Equestria Killdeer family."
Good.
So on Killdeer opening day,
like. Bunch of killdeers.
And the killdeer family
all the ponies
banner was pulled down. And when the banner was pulled down, everyone was perfectly